Welcome to our third tutorial on the sweep command. Let's begin by activating the sweep command. Our third profile option is the circle type, the third icon. Under the subtype, there are a number of options we'll be exploring. The first is 3 guides. Let's select our first, second, and third guide curves and hit the preview button. The shape of the surface depends on the order that we selected the curves in. Under curve 2, I'm going to select this curve. For curve 3, I'll select this sketch. Click Preview. Now, as you see, the surface is quite different. Click OK. Let's Ctrl Z out of this. Activate the sweep command again. Our next subtype option is 2 guides and radius. First, let's select our first and second guides. Then we'll enter a radius value of, let's say, 30 millimeters, tab, and preview. We have the option to implement a law here. Let's choose the S type, and we'll enter an end value of 50 millimeters. Tab and close. Preview. We've got 6 possible solutions to preview. We can scroll through them by pressing one of these buttons, or we can simply enter a number here. When we're done, click OK, and we have our surface. Let's Ctrl Z out of this. Let's take a look at our next subtype option, center and 2 angles. First, we choose a center curve, a reference curve. We need to enter angular values and click Preview. Once again, we're able to apply a law. Let's apply the linear type. Enter a value of 10, tab, close, and preview. OK. Let's Ctrl Z out of this. We'll look at our next subtype option, center and radius. Let's select the center curve and click Preview. Here, let's apply some laws. I'll use the S type with a 30 millimeter start value, tab, and a 10 millimeter end value, tab, close, preview. OK. We Ctrl Z out of this also. Let's look at our next subtype option, 2 guides and tangency surface. Let's bring in my tangency surface. Right-click, Hide Show. Under Limit Curve with Tangency, let's select this curve. Tangency surface, this surface. Limit curve is this curve. Click Preview. We have 2 possible solutions here. Click OK. Let's Ctrl Z out of this. It looks like both surfaces have disappeared. Let's Ctrl Y to bring them back. As you see, Sweep 2 is deleted, but Sweep 1 was moved to No Show. Let's do a Ctrl Z again. Sweep 1 is still here. We right-click to bring it back. Let's explore our next subtype option, 1 guide and tangency surface. Let's bring Extrude 1 back. Right-click, Hide Show. For guide curve, let's select curve 2, tangency surface, this surface. Radius value, 30 millimeters. Preview. We've got 3 possible solutions to scroll through. We can also opt to trim with tangency surface. Click OK. And let's Control-Z out of this. Let's explore the next subtype option, limit curve and tangency surface. Let me bring in Fill 1. Under Limit Curve, select this circle. Under Tangency Surface, select this surface. Let's click Preview to see what we've got. Let's zoom in to see better how this works. Let's change angle 1, -5 degrees. And let's preview. Basically, the radius is here and the limits can go in either direction. Let's apply a law, the linear option. For our start value, we'll enter 5 millimeters. For the end value, we will enter something larger, 180 millimeters. Close, preview, and our surface is very different now. We've got 2 possible solutions. Click Next or Previous to view them. And when you're ready, click OK. And this concludes our 3rd tutorial on the sweep command.